Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on your notification button. And click on another video. Now, I want to talk about this youth here, when named Richie. He's a youth where him come from Tower Hill and him be there Canada. In Canada, him start off out of Jane and Finch and him bob and weave and end up in a Scarborough. Now, what is this? This is a very different kind of thing, story, because with Richie, me I say straight up, me respect on family deal with him body and deal with the situation, me not like. But Richie did there Canada and flex with enough man. He used to flex with a youth. Me know the youth, but me not go call no name. And him and the youth end up get charged for a murder. Now the picture you see right there, so that's where Richie did young and him there Canada back in the days. And him a run through Scarborough, Jane and Finch and the whole of them place there. So like me say, him and the youth do something and get charged for murder. Richie end up a prison up in a Drysfield, Collins Bay, me living up in a them area there. And the other youth, me not even know what happened to him. He must end up a prison too. You know, usually when you have them cases, they have a whole heap of discrepancy and thing. So, we are going to fast forward to 2022. And I tell you what happened to Richie. Now, 2022, this is what Richie looks like. Same picture right there, so. Him end up doing time. I think him get life 10 or life 15 and end up doing time and go Jamaica. When him there Jamaica, him settle in a Tower Hill, cause Tower Hill him come from. You don't know Tower Hill or Cockburn Pen, the other side of Cockburn Pen. Andrew Holiness run Cockburn Pen and Tower Hill, and you know Tower Hill are liberate and Cockburn Pen are socialist, but you have families who live on both sides of the border in terms of the political arena. So Richie end up go home and there Jamaica and they in a Tower Hill a chill and a do him thing. From what me hear, is a youth him well taken care of. Cause him there yard, him family them, I take care of him. Him a do him thing. Him not bother nobody, but him is sorta like a don in the neighborhood, cause that's how him born and grow. Cause him is a elder now, a big man now, you see how him look. So, yeah, me I tell you now what happened to him. Richie was killed in Tower Hill by his own friends them. Now, I heard through the grapevine, cause me hear from a good source down there on the ground, said that Richie cousin get killed by some man where they run on the other street or them involved. So Richie ping them and get the machine them and decide say nah give them back the machine. And the man them plotting against him and catch him off guard. Now, the day when him dead, he was with the councillor of Tower Hill, you know, and the policeman we guard the counselor was there and fire some shot off of the youth them. Now, I have the picture with Richie in the road, but I can't show it here so. So I can put it in the WhatsApp group, and or if people want to link me, my email is right there. I can email it to you. I go blur it and kind of show it real quick on YouTube platform so I can have an idea. But him friend them end up kill him. Now, a 3-man approach him, and the 3 of them get to it, but the man them end up catch one of them and take away for him 3 points. So the other 2 now in hiding. At the beginning of this video, I say big respect to him kids them and him family them. Cause Richie was a decent youth. You see me I say? I just the dirty people them in a Tower Hill, dog. And me just wish if that youth you did know, so listen. You have to cut from your dead so. You understand? You can't, if you go double you can't around them, my youth. And I know say you did good, everything did good for you and everything, but the boy them catch you off guard, my youth. Now, what was unique about Richie, him get deported from Canada and went back to Jamaica and couldn't go back to Canada cause from you get charged for murder, you have to get pardon, this, that, whatever. So, when he died, his family them sent for him body and bring the body from Jamaica to Toronto. So Richie is buried in Canada on December 18, 2022. And a funeral like that would probably cost $40,000 Canadian easy. You understand? And him family them never want him down at Jamaica, yo. I'm gonna blame them. Them do the right thing. Them take them father and bring him come to Canada where them there. You understand? Because them know all the dirty Jamaicans them stay and the dirty people them down there. So yo, in my country, I love it still, you know, but me I tell you, me no blame them. So yo, it's a unique story because him are really one of the first, if not the second person here who dead and come back to Canada, come bury from them get deported. So if you're dead, I guess, and your family they are foreign, Canada and them place there, you can get the body sent there and you can have a funeral there. Because that's what all of them family did there. And that's a Richie story star. Youth from Tower Hill, go to Canada, get caught up, end up go Jamaica, they are chill. Family member get caught up in some things, something go down, him take out the gun them from the man, him now return them gun. I'm not blame him, because if I did my family, would I take with them gun too. Straight up. But the difference with me I take it away and cut. My youth, you understand? Them now get no easy pickings. Long story short, the boy them come call him out, friends them, boom, end up kill him. When him dead, him family them send for him body, bring him body come to Canada and bury him at Canada. The 2-3 boy them were involved, one of them get fling away, and the man them a look for the 2 other boy them, yo. And the story upon Richie that dog. Jano. But it's also a story upon Jamaica, upon the crime, upon the violence, and really and truly, Richie never did a defend no crime thing from when me hear. The man a defend a family member who get out. You understand? That the man I do. And the man them switch on him. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And leave a comment and make me know what's up. But yeah, I Canada Richie Berry. Countryman, I'm out.